Well, hello to Mr. Lovullo's integrated science students. Wanted to introduce myself. I'm Mr. McManus. I'm actually in a classroom right next door, and I also teach some integrated science classes. So while Mr. Lovullo is getting better, I'm going to be taking care of covering his classes and doing things like posting to Google Classroom and taking care of grades and things like that for as long as we need to. We don't know how long that's going to be at this point. So I just kind of wanted to introduce myself and let you know what to expect. So each day that you have class, whichever day that is, you will see an assignment, and I'm going to post things very similar to how he did. So I noticed that he put numbers on his videos and he put numbers on his quizzes, and so I'll do that and continue the same thing. Now you will find that there will only be 2 assignments per week. So you'll only have an assignment on whichever day you actually are in his class. I noticed in the past, it looked like he was putting maybe 4 or 5 assignments a week in, but there will only be 2. So you only have to do your science on whichever day you're actually assigned to that class for as long as we're on e-learning, which is through the end of the semester. Now, once we get back to school, if we come back and he's not back, then obviously you'll have something to do every day that you're in class, which will be 4 days. But for now, just 2 per week. I also noticed that he does not put due dates on his assignments, which means you're still able to turn those in. So there are quite a few of you that have some assignments that still were not done from before winter break. Those are still there. The videos are still there. Everything is available all the way back to the beginning of the quarter. It's really important in order for your grade to be respectable that you get those things done, okay? You don't want to end the quarter with a failing grade and possibly have to retake the class. So just go back to the playlist, or really you can use Google Classroom to see what assignments were assigned. If you go on Google Classroom and you go to your to-do list, so if you go to your main screen where all your classes are listed, there's a little to-do list, and you can see all the assignments that are out there for not just science, but all your classes, and start chipping away at those. I think that'll really help you. So the topics that you'll be doing for me for the next couple of weeks will be related to what you were doing right before break. You were doing chemical reactions and how to write equations, how to balance equations. So I'm going to continue with that idea up through the end of the semester. Okay, so that'll be through the 22nd of January. All right. If you have questions, please feel free to email to Mr. Lovullo's email address. I'm also handling all of his email correspondence, so I will see the message. So if you have a question about a topic or a question about your grade or whatever, please go ahead and just email as usual to him. The big difference is there will not be live Zoom classes for you. Okay, I already have classes assigned to me that I have to Zoom with, so you will not have live Zooms, but all the instruction will be done through short lecture videos, which is what you're used to from him. So they will be uploaded every Monday and every Thursday in the morning. Okay, so if you're a Monday, Thursday student, you'll see them. If you're a Tuesday, Friday student, you can actually go and do your work early if you want to, because it'll be the same stuff that the Monday, Thursday group is doing. Okay, so if anything's not clear about this or whatever, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Again, Mr. McManus is my name. But use Mr. Lovullo's email address, which you can find either in his Google Classroom or through PowerSchool. There's links both places, and I'll answer just as soon as I can get to it. Okay? All right. Hope everything goes well. Have a good day.